Number 15. Future Science and Technology. B2. Science and technology have always influenced human civilization, but during recent decades, technological progress has accelerated dramatically. Nowadays, artificial intelligence, automation, biotechnology, and digital communication systems are transforming society faster than ever before. Many people are excited about future innovations, while others feel worried about possible risks and consequences. In my opinion, technology will continue changing almost every aspect of human life during the next 20 years. Some developments may improve healthcare, education, and communication enormously, whereas others could create serious ethical and social challenges. One of the most important future technologies is artificial intelligence. AI systems are already capable of generating text, recognizing images, analyzing enormous quantities of data, and automating routine tasks. In the future, artificial intelligence will probably become even more integrated into everyday life. For example, many repetitive professions may partially be replaced by automation. Factories, logistics systems, customer support, and even some office jobs are already becoming increasingly automated. As a result, the labor market will probably change significantly. At the same time, new professions will also appear. Years ago, jobs connected with cybersecurity, cloud computing, or artificial intelligence hardly existed. Nowadays, these specializations are extremely important. Therefore, future workers will need flexibility and continuous learning. Another major area of scientific development concerns medicine and biotechnology. Scientists are developing new treatments, genetic technologies, and medical systems that could extend human lifespan and improve quality of life. Some diseases that used to be considered untreatable may eventually become manageable. Artificial intelligence may also help doctors analyze medical information more accurately and rapidly. In addition, robotic surgery and personalized medicine could become increasingly common. However, ethical questions connected with genetic engineering and biotechnology will probably become more complicated as well. Space exploration is another fascinating field. During the next decades, humanity may establish permanent bases on the moon or even prepare missions to Mars. Private companies and international space agencies are investing enormous resources into these projects. Personally, I find scientific exploration inspiring because it demonstrates humanity's desire to understand the universe and overcome limitations. At the same time, some people argue that governments should solve Earth's problems before spending enormous budgets on space programs. Climate and environmental technologies will also become increasingly important. Renewable energy systems, electric transport, and sustainable infrastructure will probably expand because environmental problems are becoming more serious. If governments continue investing in green technologies, pollution levels may decrease gradually. At the same time, climate change could create enormous global challenges during the next 20 years. Extreme weather events, water shortages, and environmental migration may affect millions of people worldwide. Therefore, scientific innovation will become essential for solving environmental crises. Communication technologies will probably transform society even further. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and immersive digital systems may change education, entertainment, and social interaction completely. People may work, study, and communicate inside virtual environments regularly. However, excessive digital dependence could also create psychological and social problems. Some individuals already spend more time interacting online than communicating face-to-face. In the future, maintaining balance between technology and real human interaction may become even more difficult. Another concern involves privacy and surveillance. Smart devices collect enormous quantities of personal information every day. Governments and corporations may gain increasing control over data, behavior analysis, and digital monitoring. Therefore, privacy rights will probably become one of the most important social debates of the future. Personally, I believe technology itself is neither positive nor negative. The real question is how humanity decides to use it. Scientific progress can improve education, healthcare, and living standards enormously if it is managed responsibly. At the same time, society should avoid becoming completely dependent on machines and algorithms. Human creativity, empathy, and critical thinking will remain essential regardless of technological progress. Machines may process information rapidly, but they cannot fully replace human emotional understanding and moral responsibility. Looking 20 years ahead, daily life will probably become more automated and connected. Smart cities, autonomous vehicles, and intelligent systems may simplify many routine activities. Nevertheless, economic inequality and ethical dilemmas could also increase if technological development benefits only certain groups. Education systems will therefore need adaptation. Students should be taught not only technical skills, but also critical thinking, creativity, and ethical responsibility. Future generations will face challenges that previous societies could hardly imagine. To sum up, science and technology will continue transforming humanity rapidly during the coming decades. Artificial intelligence, biotechnology, environmental innovation, and digital systems may improve many aspects of life, but they also create serious ethical and social questions. In my opinion, the future will depend not only on scientific discoveries, but also on how responsibly humanity uses them. If technological progress is balanced with ethical values and human well-being, the future could become significantly more advanced and sustainable.